Hey there, music creators. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a plain beat into a powerhouse with one magic trick. Let's dive in. Here is the origin. A bit dull, right? But we're about to change that. In just 20 seconds, watch this. I'm adding a touch of magic. First, Pro Q3 for precision. Then, Harmonics analog saturation for warmth. Tape for vintage flavor. And DynOne to make it punch. Listen to how it was before and after. These plugins are the secret sauce. Quick recap. It's all about these plugins: Pro Q3, Harmonics analog saturation, tape and DynOne. Now your challenge, try them on your beats and feel the magic. Like, share and comment to let me know how it goes. Stay tuned for more audio tricks and let's keep the music flowing. See you soon.